I will show you how to make a snake game. So a snake game is a pretty popular game which you can play in your phone or your button phone. So the rules are simple. You just have to go up, down. If you touch the edge, you're out. So let's start coding, okay? First, as you can see, it's Sprite 1, our cat. Just click on delete, okay? Now, we can just paint a backdrop. So go here and choose the paint brush, okay? Now click on backdrop number 1, okay? Then click on the rectangle, okay? And select the fill to be this thing, okay? First of all, go here, yes, in the second lane, which is right here. Click on this, okay? Now first of all, go to the purple, okay, and change this to a green color, a nice one, okay? Just like so, and go here, okay, and make this a bit dark. Then draw. Wow, so nice, right? Now click on the mouse thing. Just select select this, then click copy. Now go to backdrop number 2 and then just paste it. Easy peasy. Now click on text, okay? Select the fill to be red color, very bright red. Click on sans serif and then click on curly, okay? Now write GAME, game, OVER, game over. Click on the mousey thing and make this big. Too big. Just make this smaller. Just like so, okay? Now let's start coding for the backdrop, okay? Now let's go to events. Do when the green flag is clicked, I'll make it a bigger so that you can see. Just like so. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks, okay? Switch backdrop to click on backdrop number 2 and switch it to backdrop number 1. So just click this. As you can see, it changes to our specific backdrop, okay? Now it's time to draw our snake. Go to choose the sprite and just click on paint, okay? Now click on the magnifying glass with the positive sign. It is big, okay? Then click on rectangle, then select the fill to be a purple color, okay? A purple color, just like so. Then draw a square and hold down the shift key, okay? Just like so. And then center this in the position. Make this a little big, okay, and a little like this. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just like so. Now we'll draw another rectangle. Just select the fill to be a reddish color and a very bright red, okay? Then just draw it, okay, like so, and make this go down, okay? Now go to the top until you can see the back. Click on back. The tongue is made, I guess. Then click on the mouse with the wiggly thing, which is called a reshape. Just click on it, okay? Now click on this thing, okay? Now as you can see, there are 4 dots here. Click on the very middle dot and drag this down so that it looks like this thing. I think it's nice. Now let's go to the circle, okay? Now select the fill to be pure dark black. Then use the shift button. Then go to the mousey thing. Just click copy paste. Use the shift button to position it just like so. Now let's just zoom in. Yeah, this is a pretty good one, okay? Now let's start coding. Let's go here. When the green flag is let's go to controls, drag a forever block and then drag an if then block. Okay, now let's go to sensing. Let's do key. Okay, if the key, click on space and do if the up arrow is pressed. Let's go to motion. Okay, motions, yes, motion. Then we'll just sorry, at the very beginning, forever move, click on 10 steps and change this to 5. So when the flag is clicked, we will move 10 steps. Okay, so if the up arrow is pressed, we will see, point in direction 90. Click on 90 and change this to 0. Okay, now more. Let's go to controls again, drag another if then block. Okay, put this below, not here, below. Okay, now do click on sensing, then do key space pressed. Just click on space and do down arrow. Okay, if the down arrow key is pressed, let's go to versions. Okay, then point in direction 90, just change this to 180. Okay, change this to 180. Now repeat again, go to controls, drag an if then block. Okay, an if then block. Now let's go to sensing, drag another key space pressed, click on space and do the right arrow. Okay, if the right arrow key is pressed, let's go to motion and drag a pointer in direction, and this time make sure it's set to 90, not anything else. Okay, now let's go back to controls, then drag the last if then block, which is for our movements. Okay, if then, if then, let's go to sensing, don't go to motions yet. Okay, if sorry, not touching, do key space pressed and instead of space, click on space, then change this to left. Okay, so if the left arrow key is pressed, let's go to motion, then we can just point in direction negative 90 degrees, just like so. Now let's click on the zoom button and just before we try it, just click on the zoom out button just before we start. When the green flag is clicked, let's go to XY and change the X to 0, change the X to 0, just like so. Now we can give this thing a try. Okay, zoom in, green flag. Wow, holy lord, it's so perfection, just like so. Okay, now I want that I just want some restrictions that if it touches its tongue or touches the edge, then the game will be over. OVER, over. Okay, so to do that, let's go to events. Okay, drag another forever block, make sure it's here, then let's go to controls. Okay, drag a forever block so it repeats on forever. Now let's do an if then block. Okay, if then a block, if then block. Now let's go to operators and drag a OR block, or put this here. Okay, now let's go to sensing. Okay, if touching color, put this here, and one more, if touching color or touching mouse pointer instead of mouse pointer, just click on mouse pointer and change this to the edge. Okay, so if touching color purple or touching color edge, just click on purple and select the eyedropper tool, which is right here, then go here and select our red tongue. Okay, so if touching color red or touching the edge, okay, then let's just go to controls, then we can stop all. Okay, just before we stop everything, sorry, we won't stop everything. Let's instead go to events, then broadcast, click on message number 1 and click on new message. Okay, so broadcast game over, game over. Okay, now let's do when I receive, click on message number 1 and do game over. When I receive game over, let's go to controls, then stop everything which is happening, plus let's go to looks, drag a hide block, hide, and go to the very up. When the green flag is clicked, we can just show. Okay, now let's give this thing a try. Boom. One more thing is that I do want that it will switch to the game over backdrop. So when I receive game over after we hide, no, when I receive game over, here, put this here. Switch backdrop to backdrop number 2, which is our game over. Let's give this a try. I will touch it. Yeah, so nice, right? Now, next thing is that I want yummy, yummy apples. Apples are good for your health. Yeah, we all heard that when we were children. We will hear that now. So, just click on choose a sprite, and instead of an apple, I will choose a strawberry. Search STRAW, strawberry. Wee, dancing strawberry. Now, we can click on the size and set the size to something like 50, so it's smaller. Okay, now let's start coding. La 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 la. Let's go to events, do, when the green flag is clicked. Okay, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to motions, then we can go to XY. Okay, we will go to XY. Let's just go to operators and do pick random, put this here, another pick random, put this here. Okay, we will do 170, sorry, negative 170 and positive 170, plus in the white category we will also do negative 170 plus 170, just like so. Now let's see. As you can see, it's going on multiple sides, sometimes here, just like so. And oh, huh? Please show. Let's just do this forever. Yeah, foreverly. Just show this thing. Show. Okay, now let's see. That will do. Right. And let's try this thing. Oh my god, why isn't this thing working? Okay. Let's just delete this thing. I hope this will work. Yeah. The reason is that it is touching the color red. Okay, so let's just delete this thing. Delete. Hello, delete. Like so. Then you can just separate these two. Okay, like so, and we can just do this thing. After that, we can just broadcast to game over. So now let's see. Hopefully it will work. Yeah, it is working. Like so. So go to many positions like so. But the thing is common, it won't go beyond the page. Okay, just set the size to a smaller, something like 30. That will do fine. Okay, go to random position. Okay, now let's go to controls, drag it forever block. Okay, forever block, if then. Okay, and if then block. Okay, if let's go to sensing, sensing, if touching, let's go to touching, sorry, let's go to, yeah, click on mouse pointer and do sprite 1. If touching sprite 1, let's go to variables and make a new variable, call this as score score. Now just click on enter. Okay, now if touching the sprite 1, then we can change my variable by 1. Just click on my variable and do score. Now when the green flag is clicked, we can just set my variable to 0. Sorry, click on my variable and do score. Let's see, yeah, 14, like so. Now if touching sprite 1, we can again go to, okay, so just go to motions and do go to XY. Okay, yes, go to XY. Similarly, okay, go to pick random, click the right side of your mouse, click on duplicate, and sorry, and place this here. Same, sorry, we just go here, duplicate, like so. Okay, now let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes sir, just like so. Okay, now let's make the body. Okay, the body. So to do that, choose a sprite and click on paint. Yes, paint. Now click on the magnifying glass which shows a positive sign, just like so. Now click on rectangle and select the fill to be the exact color we choose for our snake. Like so. It looks similar. Okay, hold down the hit button. No, it's just a bit too dark. Well, as you can see, sometimes getting the color is very hard. Okay, so to make it less hard, let's just go to sprite number 1, then click on the mouse, then select this purple thing. Okay, click on copy. Now let's go to sprite number 2, paste. Ta-da! Perfect square. Okay, let's start coding, my favorite part. Let's go to code. Okay, start. Go to events. Now do when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls, forever. Okay, forever. Let's go to motion and forever go to random position. Just click on random position and do sprite 1, which is our snake. Okay, as you can see, oh sorry, we just forgot to add the two things when I receive game over, hide. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to strawberry, find a clean space, events. When I receive game over, make a little bit more space. So when I receive game over, let's just go to looks. Okay, hide, similar operation here. Go to events. When I receive game over, now sorry, then let's go to looks, hide. Let's see, done. And as you can see, it is sorry, sorry. When the green flag is clicked, just show, similar operation in the strawberry. No green flag is clicked, show. Ta-da! As you can see, it is going here. Let me just separate these two. Oh my god, these are going to our snake, as you can see. Let's just go to controls, wait 1 second, change this to 0.0 something like 5 seconds. Okay, 0.05 seconds, then create a clone of myself. Okay, Now let's do it. When I start as a clone, we can just wait 1 second. After that, go to the very bottom and delete this clone. Now, we will, instead of waiting 1 second, let's go to operators. Drag a division block which is right here and write 5. Okay. Now let's go to variables and do score divided by 5. So as you can see, these are coming up, and every time it's getting bigger. We just want that it will we just want that instead of getting so long, it will get a little long. Okay, so just change this to something like 7. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it has reduced. Maybe a little more, something like 9. Now let's just zoom in. Let's try this. Ooh. Yes, 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 like so. Now, now, one more thing one more thing that I do indeed. Was just sorry. Let's just wait 0.9 seconds and change this to 5. Let's see. Yes. Nah. Our previous one was much more better. Just 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now, guys, I just want that when it will increase, it will just change color. Okay. So when I start as a clone, let's go to looks and we can change our color effect by 25, and we will change our effect by 25. So let's see. Wow, miracle, literally miracle. It's glowing so brightly, right? Wow. Yeah, I don't want that it will sometimes glow this color, sometimes another color. Okay, so to do that, let's just go to operators, do a pick random. We'll do something like 10 to 30. Let's just try this out. Okay, yes. Wow, so many different colors. It's just so beautiful, right? Okay. Just a little thing I want to do is that I just want to make it a little, type of brighter color. 20 to 50. Sorry. 50, not just 5. Let's see. Hopefully that one will work. Okay. Wow. Ew. So amazing, right? Yeah, right? Now, if you want, you can just leave this video, but I recommend on making something. But I just recommend making something golden, which will just increase our score by 3. Okay, for this I will just go to strawberry, click the right side of your mouse and just click on duplicate. Okay, strawberry true. Sorry, not true, it's 2. Now let's go to costumes. Okay, now let's let's click on the fill and select the color. Okay, go back to our blank color and select a golden color, just like so. Yeah, everything, even this thing, just like so. The spores will be okay, and yeah, everything else will be okay. It will be golden. it will be golden. Okay, just one thing is that I want that it will be very rare, because it's like gonna change your score by 1, you know. So to do that, let's go to events. Then when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. Then we will let's go to controls. Then we can just wait something like 10 seconds. Okay, then just delete the show block. Okay, wait 10 seconds. Then let's go to broadcast. Let's just broadcast a message and just click on the game over and make a new message. Call this wait. Okay, now we can just delete the when the green flag is clicked and change this to a, just click on game over and do wait. After that, let's just go to looks and show. Just to and one more thing, change our score by something like 3. Okay, just to show that it works, let's just wait something like 2 seconds. Okay, now zoom in, wait 2 seconds, it should appear just like so. Okay, and if touching go to here, if touching sprite 1 go, then change the score by 3. Then we can again wait 10 just 2 seconds before it appears again, just to show you. Remember that when we are done making, we will change this to something like 10 seconds. Hey, don't go, please. Oh yes, don't go. Yes. Nah, really doesn't work. Let's just delete this. If touching sprite 1, change this like so. Okay, when I receive, wait, okay, forever. If okay, now we can just put this inside of a, when I receive, click when I receive wait, plus after all of these, changing score by 3 and going to xy, we can again wait, we can again just wait 10 seconds, I think. Oh no, just change this to 2 for now. Let's see. And one more thing. Oh, let's see. Oh no, please wait for me. Yes, it's exactly waiting. Okay, now we can just change this to 10 seconds. Similarly, wait 10 seconds. Okay, now let's just give this a try out. Oh no, let's just give all this a try out. One, it should appear after 10 seconds as planned. Yes. Oh god. Ouch. Yeah. After going, we can wait 10 seconds. We can just hide. Wait 10 seconds, then again go to events and broadcast game over. Let's just give this a try out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It appeared. Yikes. We can just wait 1. Okay. Hopefully this will do, and wait 5 seconds. We just change all this back. Yes. 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 Oh. Yeah, just like so. So guys, that's it for this video. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, today my little brother just wants to say something. Please say hi.
Hi, what is your name?
As you can see, guys, my little brother is little and not that good at speaking English. So please remember to subscribe to my channel and bye.